1. Turn on power. 2. Release the emergency push button. Wait for control to boot up. Touch screen to start the control. 3. Turn on spindle. Make sure spindle is running clockwise. Turn off spindle. Make sure hydraulic valve is closed. Turn on hydraulic. Turn off hydraulic. Turn on coolant. Turn off coolant. 4. Turn function switch to surface grinding manual control mode. The blue automatic up and down control buttons and the orange automatic crossfeed control buttons will be activated. Push the rapid down, slow down, jog for 50 millionth for jogging functions, push the rapid up, slow up, push rapid crossfeed out, slow crossfeed out, push rapid crossfeed in, slow crossfeed in. 5. Put the function switch to auto surface grinding mode. Adjust the 2 dogs for the crossfeed travel. If the first dog moves towards the operator, the inside crossfeed limit will be closer to the column. If the second control dog moves away from the operator, then the forward crossfeed limit will be towards the operator. Set up the parts contact point to 0. Push F1 to set up downfeed control. Type in number 1, target point. Type minus 0.02. Type in number 3, finish grinding volume 0.005. Type in number 4, intermittent spark out 0.003. Type in number 5, start point 0. Type in number 2, rise up point 0.0005. Push left arrow to go back to operation page. Set up rough feed increment 1 thou. 0.0001. Set up fine increment downfeed 2/10, 0.0002 inches. Set up intermittent spark out time 1. Set up finish grinding spark out time 1. Wheel raise up button after finish grinding. Turn on spindle. Turn on hydraulic pump. Set up longitudinal travel. Turn on control valve to control table speed. Push the execute button. Turn on execute button. Turn off execute button.